Oh my goodness, guys. Talk about a severely underbid project. Look at all of that. That thing goes down below. This is huge, guys. It's a lot of work. Yep. My hand. Okay, here's the wall. Hopefully they don't go up too high, but there's somewhere, I think in that section, you see the rafter comes down there, another one comes over there. Okay guys, here we have it. Pry this open. Woo! Oh no, this thing is big. Guys, this is big. You ready? Oh my goodness, it's coming up hard. Usually a sign that it's been there a very long time. Wow. Wow. Question is, how high does it go? And I don't know if I want to find out. Oh my goodness, guys. Talk about a severely underbid project. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. Oh my. Look at that larva. You see it? Little shiny little warm looking things in the cells. Yeah, that's larva. So much of it, so much brood. That thing goes down below. This is huge, guys. It's a lot of work. Okay guys, I know I don't film myself very often, but here's a little bit for perspective. Yep. My hand. That's what we got. The only stuff we're gonna box up is the brood, the most important part. The rest of the stuff that these can make, like honey, pollen, nectar, propolis, they can make all that. They can make much more. All we need is the stuff that the queen needs, which ensures that she pretty much goes to the box if she isn't already there. Oh, wow, phenomenal. This is the box. Chase them off a little bit. That's the nectar here. We're barely in spring. Spring has barely started, so the bees are starting to make honey. But it's not enough to take, so we don't take. We let the bees have it all. Show you something interesting you probably don't usually see or get it explained to you, so I'll explain it. So if you look at this right here is drone brood, nice poofy looking brood. This right here is regular brood. It's kind of flat, even. That's regular workers. This is drones, males. This stuff is extra. We don't need all this. Okay guys, here's the update. Bag full of extra honeycomb. Bees are already gone in the box. We're just gonna do a final cleanup, little spray, put the box up on the roof, and we were all done. Let's just make sure this wall is spotless. Okay, we have a spotless wall, bagged up stuff. The box is actually on the roof on the outside. Hopefully the bees find it. I mean, there was already a lot of bees going to the box, so I'm assuming the queen's in there. They're behaving that way, so yeah, we'll be back in about 5 to 10 days. All done here.